Yeah.
Today we have a speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Anne.
And how old are you?
First out.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
And okay, look at this picture. What color is this? Color black.
Black.
Color
Color blue.
color
Color
brown.
brown.
What color is this?
Color green.
Color
Color
orange.
orange.
Color
Color pink.
color
Color purple.
and color
Color red.
color
Color white.
and color yellow. Okay, let's proceed for this one. And okay, on 3, 2, 1, go. You say hello.
Hello, how are you? How are you today? Hello, how are you? How are you today?
I'm fine.
Thank you. I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
How are you today?
I am very fine.
I am too well.
Good. I am very, very
fine.
have a good.
Good day.
Okay, very good. Let's proceed for this one. You say my
My
toy box
My toy box
is red.
red and black and blue.
It holds balls and games and other things too. Good job. Now let's proceed for this one. All right. You will say, and you will say, yes, it is. No, it isn't. All right. Is this a marker? No.
No,
It.
it.
No, it isn't.
No, it
Is this a
isn't.
pencil?
Yes,
it is.
is.
Is this a food? No, it
this
isn't. Is this a Play-Doh?
Yes,
It
it
is.
is.
Okay, next one for you, Anne. All right. Now, is this a storybook? No, it isn't. Is this a card? Yes, it is.
Isn't.
Yes, it is. Is this a wall? No, it isn't. Is this a hook? Yes, it is. Okay, let's proceed for this one. All right. Now let's proceed now for this one. Okay, you say, I see 3 birds.
Up in the sky, one is red and two are brown. 3 small birds so very high. Please, oh please come flying down.
Okay, let's proceed for this one. Okay, you say this one. You say yes.
Yes.
No.
No.
Can
the
an elephant crawl? Asked the little hippo. Baby panda said yes, but the snake said no. All right, so that's all for today, and goodbye and thank you.
Goodbye.